Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for appliance insurance with American Home Shield detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the American Home Shield website. Locate the Get a Quote button on the home page. Click on this button to begin the registration process. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. Provide your name, address, and contact details. Select the type of coverage you are interested in. Choose from options like appliance insurance or home warranty plans. Review the coverage details and terms for each plan. Once you find a suitable plan, click on Continue or Next. Create an account by entering your email and setting a password. Confirm your email address if prompted during the account setup. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Review your selected plan details once more. Add any additional coverage options if desired. Proceed to provide payment information. Enter your credit or debit card details securely. Review the total cost including any applicable taxes or fees. Submit your application for appliance insurance. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your registration. Keep this email for your records. Access your account anytime to manage your policy. Contact customer support if you have any questions or need assistance. That's how you register for appliance insurance with American Home Shield. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.